Welcome, everyone. I am Dr. Samuel Adebayo, your financial guide for today's insightful journey. I'm here to share some wisdom gleaned from my years of experience in the world of finance. With a doctorate in international business, a finance instructor, and over 2 decades of practical experience, I've seen, analyzed, and navigated the ebb and flow of economic tides. I've served as an advisor to Fortune 500 companies, guided small businesses through the complexities of financial management, and helped individuals transform their personal finances. My journey has been filled with successes, challenges, lessons, and most importantly, growth. Along the way, I've discovered that the key to financial freedom often lies not in earning more, but in spending less. That's why today we're going to take a deep dive into a topic that is close to my heart, budgeting. But not just any budgeting. We're going to explore the art of cutting back, of letting go of the unnecessary and the excessive. And we're not talking about living a life of deprivation. No, we're talking about a life of purpose, of intentionality, of financial peace. I'll be sharing my personal journey, detailing 11 specific things I cut from my budget that I don't miss at all. These are changes that have not only saved me money, but have also enriched my life in unexpected ways. I've found that when we remove the clutter from our financial lives, we make room for what truly matters. But don't just take my word for it. Stick around and see for yourself. I promise you, this is not your everyday finance talk. This is about a lifestyle change, a mindset shift. This is about taking control of your financial future and rewriting your own story. So, without further ado, let's delve into the 11 things I cut from my budget and don't miss at all. Starting with the first 3 budget cuts, these might surprise you. Let's delve right into it. Our first budget cut is takeouts and dining out. It's a common misconception that cooking at home is time-consuming and complex, but in reality, it's an excellent way to save money. With the advent of online recipes and cooking tutorials, you can whip up a meal at a fraction of the cost of dining out. Plus, it's a healthier option, allowing you to control the ingredients you consume. Moving on to the second budget cut, we have cable TV. In this era of digital streaming, cutting the cable cord can save you a significant amount of money. Services like Netflix, Hulu, and Amazon Prime offer a wide range of shows and movies at a much lower cost than traditional cable. Plus, you have the luxury to watch your favorite shows on your own schedule. The third budget cut is gym memberships. Now, before you raise your eyebrows, let me explain. Physical fitness is undeniably important, but it doesn't have to come with a hefty price tag. With a plethora of free online workout routines and inexpensive home workout equipment, you can maintain your fitness at home. Not to mention the great outdoors, where you can jog, cycle, or do yoga, all for free. Now, what's the impact of these cuts? Well, the money saved from dining out can be redirected towards a healthy grocery budget, leading to better health and savings. Cutting the cable cord not only reduces your monthly bills, but also eliminates the time wasted on mindless channel surfing. And finally, canceling your gym membership encourages you to explore alternative, often more engaging, ways to stay fit. So, you see, these aren't just budget cuts. They're lifestyle changes that promote financial freedom and personal growth. And those were the first 3 of 11. Intriguing, isn't it? Moving on. The next 4 budget cuts are quite relatable. The 4th item I cut from my budget was the daily coffee run. Yes, that steaming cup of Java from the local cafe might seem like a small expense, but it adds up. By brewing my own coffee at home, I not only saved a few dollars every day, but also enjoyed the process of making my own perfect cup. Next on the list was the gym membership. Now, don't get me wrong, health is wealth. However, gym memberships can be pricey, and I found that I wasn't using mine enough to justify the cost. Instead, I started running in the park, doing yoga at home, and using free workout videos online. I'm still keeping fit, but now I'm doing it on my own terms and saving money in the process. The sixth budget cut was cable TV. In this era of streaming services, I realized I was paying for channels I never watched. So I switched to a more affordable streaming platform. This way, I only pay for what I actually watch, and I can choose from a wider range of content. Finally, the seventh cut was dining out. Eating out frequently can burn a hole in your pocket. I started cooking more at home, which not only saved me money, but also allowed me to control what goes into my meals. It's healthier, and there's a certain satisfaction in preparing your own food. By making these changes, I've seen a significant reduction in my monthly expenses. It's amazing how much you can save by trimming down on things that seem small, but accumulate over time. It's not about depriving yourself, but rather about making smarter choices that align with your financial goals. That's 7 down, 4 more to go. Stay with me. We're just getting to the best part. Now let's uncover the final 4 budget cuts. The 9th budget cut in my personal finance journey was paid television subscriptions. With the rise of free streaming platforms and the digital age at its peak, it just didn't make sense to keep paying for cable or satellite TV. Not only did this cut save me a substantial amount every month, but it also reduced the amount of time wasted in front of the TV, resulting in more productive hours. The 10th budget cut I implemented was on luxury items. Now, don't get me wrong. Treating yourself from time to time is not a bad thing. But when luxury becomes a habit, it can quickly drain your finances. So, I started distinguishing between needs and wants. High-end fashion, extravagant vacations, and gourmet dining took a back seat, and I focused more on fulfilling my needs rather than my wants. Next, I cut down on my gym membership. With countless free workout videos available online and the ability to do outdoor activities like running and hiking, I found that I didn't need a pricey gym membership to stay fit. This cut not only saved me money, but also helped me to explore new ways to maintain my health and fitness. Finally, the last cut I made was on takeout meals. I realized I was spending an exorbitant amount on food delivery services and restaurant meals. So I decided to cook more at home. Apart from saving money, this also made me healthier and gave me a new hobby to enjoy. Each of these cuts had its own impact. They not only helped me save money, but also improve my lifestyle in many ways. Some of them, like cooking at home and exercising outdoors, even led to healthier habits. And there you have it, the complete list of 11 budget cuts that I don't miss at all. But what's the point of all these budget cuts, you might ask? Well, let's delve into the benefits of budget cutting. It's more than just saving a few dollars here and there. It's about setting yourself up for a more secure and stress-free financial future. It's about financial empowerment. Firstly, budget cutting helps you to prioritize your spending. It forces you to critically assess what's necessary and what's not. You start to distinguish between wants and needs. Suddenly, that daily coffee from the fancy cafe doesn't seem as vital when compared to saving for your child's education or your retirement. Secondly, budget cutting can provide a buffer for unexpected expenses. Life is unpredictable, and sometimes unexpected costs arise. Having a safety net in the form of savings can save you from financial distress when life throws a curveball your way. Thirdly, budget cutting can lead to financial freedom. By reducing unnecessary expenditure, you can start to accumulate wealth. This wealth can then be invested to generate passive income. Imagine having money that works for you, even when you're sleeping. That's financial freedom. Additionally, budget cutting can help improve your credit score. By managing your finances better and reducing debt, you can improve your credit rating. This can open up opportunities for better interest rates on loans and credit cards, saving you money in the long run. Lastly, and perhaps most importantly, budget cutting can lead to peace of mind. Knowing that you're in control of your finances, that you're living within your means, and that you're prepared for future expenses can alleviate a great deal of stress. So, when you're considering whether to cut that gym membership you barely use, or to start cooking at home more often, remember these benefits. Remember that every dollar saved is a step towards financial security and freedom. As you can see, budget cutting isn't about deprivation, it's about financial empowerment. Before I conclude, I want to remind you that knowledge is power, especially when it comes to managing your finances. We've just explored 11 areas where you can cut back, and I'm sure you found at least a few that you can implement in your own life. But this is just the tip of the iceberg. There are countless other ways to save, and I'm excited to share them with you in future videos. Now, if you found this content valuable, I encourage you to hit that subscribe button. Not only will you be notified of all our new videos, but you'll be joining a community of like-minded individuals who are dedicated to financial savvy. And remember, the more people who join us, the more we can learn from each other. So don't hesitate to like and share this video with your friends and family. Staying financially savvy is not a one-time event, but a lifelong journey. It's about making small changes every day, and over time, these changes add up to big savings. So keep exploring, keep learning, and keep challenging yourself to find new ways to save. And of course, I can't conclude it without thanking you for watching. Your support means the world to me, and it's what keeps this channel going. So, thank you for being part of this journey. In the coming weeks, we'll be diving deeper into the world of personal finance, exploring topics like investment strategies, retirement planning, and debt management. I promise you won't want to miss it. So, if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss a video. Remember, the key to financial success lies in your hands. So make sure to subscribe and stay tuned for more financial insights. This is Dr. Samuel Adebayo signing off.